Don't Buy the Pharma by Dr. Doggerel, taking a bite out of crime, one rhyme at a time. Keep 'em sick, but keep 'em breathing. That's Big Pharma's major goal, 'cause doctors can't prescribe their meds to those for whom the bell has tolled. A healthy person is a crime. A chronic sickness is sublime. For what they do is give a med that's not designed to kill you dead. At least not yet, for it sure pays to make you sick in other ways, with side effects to fill your days and fill their pockets, I might add. Just pass me that prescription pad. No prescription drug's complete till it provides effects replete with nausea, bleeding, and depression, heart disease, and brain regression. With any luck, you'll need to buy another drug, or even 5, to cure you of the cure they're faking, and all the while your body's aching from the liver that they're breaking with the meds that you were taking. And certainly I'd be remiss to not point out dialysis resulting from the death of kidneys, or other med-related litanies of misery to some other organ. From this trade-off, devil's bargain that comes from dyes to test your heart, or even some less vital part. If you should doubt me, watch TV, and there observe the pushers free to advertise prescription drugs loaded with those major bugs they're forced by law to still admit to. Such side effects can doubtless hit you. Listen to this sample ad. This sort of bull should make you mad. Ask your doctor, you that sneeze, if taking sneeze off will decrease your sneeze by 1/3 in an hour. Yes, Sneeze Off has that kind of power. No more embarrassing little sneezes. And now here's a list of the diseases this wonder drug may cause. We state this just because of laws. Asthma, cancer, hepatitis, nosebleeds, palsy, and arthritis. Do not take if you are pregnant, nursing, bleeding, codependent. Stop taking Sneeze Off if you find you're weak and stumbling, going blind. If skin eruptions get too serious, or if your mind becomes delirious, where heart attacks have been reported, Sneeze Off use should be aborted. Always heed your doc's advice. Our sales reps treat 'em oh so nice. Tell me, where's the regulation to protect this drugstore nation? So many meds that even water from the tap can slowly slaughter. Our water table's now destroyed by all the drugs that we've employed. So many drugs we've flushed away that fish get stoned outside the bay. We're told this country's plagued with drugs. Big Pharma's now the real drug thugs. Can any of us stop this crime? Who out there will mop this slime? What about the FDA? Sorry, they've gone out to play, splicing genes on pharma's farms. This industry will do no harm, according to the bureaucrats, who then change jobs like changing hats and go to work in pharma's ranks while laughing all the way to banks where they deposit payoff pay, the bribes they're paid for yesterday's poisoning of the USA. Well, what about the Congress then? Why, our elected congressmen are taken care of. Come elections, Big Pharma pays in all directions. All politicians, big and small, Big Pharma's got them covered, all. And their largesse has served them well, at least until they go to hell. For Congress passed laws not to pardon. If Medicare should dare to bargain for a reduction in the prices, Big Pharma's profits fund their vices. And please don't skip your kid's vaccine. Those school boards can turn awfully mean. They're under economic orders, and parents may be crossing borders to save their kids from pharma's dupe of shooting their autism soup into each little precious child. You spin the wheel and then go wild when your child gets the ADD. These pharma folks must not go free when we finally prove complicity. I could go on, but what's the point? While you get jailed for just one joint, Big Pharma poisons by the millions just to rake in filthy billions. Their scientists and CEOs corrupt as hell, but so it goes. They lie on patents, lie in testing, just to keep those hearts a-resting, pushing statins like they're candy, side effects galore, just dandy. There are pirates on the open seas, but none like those who sell disease.